How to enable live video option on Facebook. So if your live video option is not showing, and if you want the live video option, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have an internet connection. Now, after opening your Facebook, you need to go with the upper right, which has that three horizontal line. And after that, scroll down, and here you need to tap on see more, and then you will find the live video option, right? But if you don't find the live video option, then in order to fix that problem, first you need to open up your Play Store. From your Play Store, you need to go with search. Under search, you can search for Facebook, and if you have any update, you need to go and update the application. After updating, your problem might be fixed. And after updating, you just need to simply go back, and then you can tap and hold on to your Facebook, go with the app info. Under app info, you can go with storage and cache, and after that, after clearing your cache, you can open up Facebook or restart your device and then open up your Facebook and refresh your page. Go with the upper right, which has that three horizontal lines, and now scroll down, go with see more, and here you need to take a screenshot of this. After taking a screenshot, you need to scroll down, go with help and support. Under help and support, you need to go with report a problem, and then tap on continue to report a problem, and then wait for a few seconds till it creates. Now tap on don't include, and then you just need simply go with the live section, and from here you need to describe the issue. So you can go with upload from phone, and then upload your screenshot that you've just taken, and under the description you just need simply describe the issue, like I'm not being able to use live video option on my Facebook. I don't have that option, so please help me with that issue. And after that, go with send, and your problem will be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.